by 26th, a couple of days prior to the beginning of the festival. और उसके भी हमने we are in constant touch with the Sunburn organizers, and we've also taking their help in terms of volunteers और कहाँ कहाँ पे ट्रैफिक के साइनेजेस लगने हैं और पार्किंग लॉट्स आइडेंटिफाई करवाने में हम उनके साथ कॉन्टीन्यूस कम्युनिकेशन में हैं, ताकि जितना भी लोगों को कम they should have minimum inconvenience, we are trying to achieve that.
You all have deployed 800 police personnel
that is throughout the state
during this New Year time. So regular days, how many police personnel are there on the road for traffic management?
So on an average day we have upwards of 500 traffic personnel on a regular basis, and the increase is we will be increasing it to 800, and we have asked for additional staff also.
सर बहुत सारी जगह पर कैमरे जो है वो बंद रहते हैं सब उसके
कैमरा मतलब किस तरीके की
जो मेन सीसीटीवी जो है वो
जी, जब भी हमें ऐसी सूचना मिलती है कि कोई कैमरा नहीं चल रहा है, we write to the agency which has installed the camera or to whom the government has given the responsibility of maintaining them. So they usually act on our correspondences, and so the traffic department keeps on sending these communications to the concerned agency.
So get more about Panjim city, getting more understood traffic jam, what precaution?
So
everywhere there is traffic jam.
Yes. Well, I won't say everywhere there is traffic jam in Panjim city. There are certain peak timings where there is traffic congestion, but as soon as information is received or we notice during our patrolling any traffic congestion, additional staff is sent to clear the traffic. But since certain civic work is going on, and so some diversions have to be made, and we have to coordinate. We are coordinating with the civic agencies to manage it.
सर रोड सेफ्टी और एक्सीडेंट के मैंने एक प्रपोजल था कि हाईवेज पे एम्बुलेंस खड़ी की जाए,
जी, तो इसके बारे में मैं लेकिन इसमें मैं ये कहूँगा कि PWD के साथ हम लोग रेगुलर वी आर वार्तालाप कर रहे हैं, रेगुलर वी आर इंटरेक्टिंग विद PWD, and almost we are having meetings on a weekly basis with chief engineer, principal chief engineer of PWD, and where we discuss on roads which can be improved, and very soon you will see that work will begin on those stretches. Already work has begun, and जो नए हम identify कर रहे हैं वो उनको हम बताते हैं. We are coordinating to make roads safer for people.
कितने ब्लैक स्पॉट आइडेंटिफाई हो रहे हैं?
There are a lot of black spots. The exact figure I will have to look for, but black spots have been identified traffic cell wise. And PWD itself has also identified black spots on their own.
हाईवेज पे एम्बुलेंस का ये प्रपोजल सर बहुत दिन से पेंडिंग पड़ा है.
एटलीस्ट मैं चेक करवा लूंगा if it is pending, where it is, or but I don't think it relates to Goa Traffic Police. It must be relating to some other department which I won't be able to tell. हमारे स्टेज पे there is nothing like this pending.
So how many rent private vehicles were given to the tourists? How many vehicles are snatched?
Well, I won't say the word snatched. We have impounded around 140 vehicles, 135, 140 vehicles, and that number is coming up. And we are also focusing on educating tourists, because we are trying to educate the tourists on that they should not be fooled into using a vehicle which is not meant to be used as a rent a bike and rent a car.
No, the problem is why the problem has arisen. You must write to government. The government has stopped the permits giving to rent a car and rent a bike. They have stopped long back. They should issue new permit, so new players will come in. So people are not getting permits, so they are giving vehicles like that. That is the main problem.
See, my mandate is to look for violations.
Yeah.
So that we are doing. And
टूरिस्ट
ऐसे लोग
अनवांटेड
हम्म।
टूरिस्ट अनवांटेड मिसबिहेव करते हैं ड्रंक एंड ड्राइव के बाद, जैसे गाड़ी का डोर ओपन करके घूमते हैं, जैसे लाइक दैट, ऐसे वायोलेशन का कैसे किस तरह
हाँ,
से?
तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हम लोग इसके अंदर डेली कोशिश करते हैं कि जब भी ऐसा केस हमें नजर आए तो उस पर एक्शन लेते हैं हम, और ले रहे हैं हम। लेकिन इसके अंदर एहतियात ये रखी जाती है कि हैरेसमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए किसी को। और वो इस तरीके का आपने देखा भी होगा कि जो केसेस ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग ऑफ हैरेसमेंट कम आए हैं। ये नहीं मैं कहूँगा कि बिल्कुल ही नहीं होता, लेकिन हमारा स्टाफ काफ़ी उस पर जोर देके कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो वायलेशंस पे ज़्यादा फोकस करें।
सर, कुछ दिन पहले पंचगई रोड पे एक देखा गया था कि एक औरत ट्रैफिक पुलिस को अगेंस्ट कर रही थी रिगार्डिंग सम, और वो वन वे से जा रहे थे। वैसे केसेस कितने आते हैं?
अब ऐसा तो कोई फिगर आई वोंट बी एबल टू शेयर, ऐसा कोई
Misbehavior with the staff on the pockets.
Misbehave with the staff.
Well, if someone misbehaves with the staff, then there are provisions in law to take action, but that is taken by local police. There are violations of IPC. Okay, thank you.
Is there